Hello everyone, welcome back to Technique Force Learning. In this video, I'll show you what are the benefits of TikTok for business and is it worth it? So, let's get started. The benefits of TikTok for business are multiple. You just need to have a clear vision of what they are and how to make them work for your brand. As one of the newest social media platforms is growing rapidly, and it's quickly becoming a great opportunity for business to reach new, larger audience. So let's take a look at the benefits of TikTok for businesses, so you can gauge whether it's worth your business investing time and money in the platform. First, we have TikTok has a huge growing audience. There have been over 2 billion downloads on TikTok, and it's more than 800 million active users worldwide. The platform's main demographic of users are teenagers and young adults. 32.5% of TikTok users is in the US, are aged between 10 to 19 years old, and 29.5% are between 20 to 29 years. But the volume of users at which is growing means that it can provide access to a huge audience, and it seems to be easier than on the other channels to create video content that goes viral and reaches hundreds and thousands of people. The audience is international. TikTok is used in 150 different countries, and the viral videos on the platform can reach all over the world. If you're looking at reaching the international markets, then TikTok is an effective platform for connecting with new audiences in other countries. Video marketing is a priority. The trend for video marketing isn't going away anytime soon. In fact, research has shown that 86% of people would like to see more videos from brands. And while 85% of businesses are already using video as a marketing tool, TikTok is a good way to expand the reach of your video content. If you're not already using video, then it provides a fairly accessible way to incorporate video into your existing marketing strategy. And it's easy to connect with an audience. It's fairly straightforward to promote your business and reach an audience by launching a hashtag challenge. You can choose an idea and then encourage users to create or recreate videos using a branded hashtag that you've come up with. It's a good way to increase interactions with your brand and encourage engagement. Next, let's talk about, is TikTok right for your business? Is your target audience on TikTok? While the audience of TikTok is huge, you need to consider whether the people you're trying to target specifically are going to be using it. That being said, if your target audience isn't currently using TikTok, you also need to consider whether they will be in the near future. Although TikTok currently seems to be a Generation Z trend, most of the main social media platforms started off with a predominantly younger audience. Instagram, for example, was initially used mainly by teenagers and young adults, but now its audience has diversified and there are millions of businesses also using it as a marketing channel. By getting involved with a new platform early, you'll be able to get the head start on your competitors. You can begin growing your audience before the platform is oversaturated with businesses and promoted content. Next, TikTok influencer marketing. TikTok is still in its early stages as marketing channel, but some major brands are starting to work with influencers on the platform to extend their reach. These influencers have millions of followers, and now could be a good time to start working with them. Currently, TikTok influencers are charging considerably less for access to larger followings than influencers on other platforms like Instagram. Next, TikTok advertising. It's still not fully fledged advertising platform, but TikTok has recently introduced opportunities for advertisements. There are currently 5 different ad formats, including in-feed ads, which are similar to Instagram adverts and appear as you scroll through, branded takeovers that appear when someone opens the app, and branded effects that use AR filters, stickers, and lenses. While these advertising options offer a lot of potential for connecting with TikTok's vast audience, they can have high minimum spend that might not be affordable for small to medium businesses. So it's worth considering whether your business will be able to pay for advertisements on TikTok. and if you'll need to use it in other ways to promote your business. Next, content needs to be original and engaging. One of the upsides of using TikTok is that you don't need to create high quality, professionally filmed and edited videos. You can just use your smartphone. However, you do need to be able to come up with engaging, fun ideas, and your content needs to be original. This kind of content isn't going to be possible for all businesses, and in some cases, it just won't match with your product or your brand. You need to ensure that all marketing channels you use are aligned with your business goals and your brand strategy. If the rest of your business is very serious and your marketing is focused on providing in-depth blog posts or research papers, then a TikTok hashtag challenge probably won't be appropriate. So, have you tried TikTok? What are your thoughts about it? Share it on the comments down below. And before this video ends, did you know that your business needs more high-quality traffic? Unlock a fresh and high-quality traffic source that 99% of your competition hasn't exploited. And that's by using VidScribe AI by Technic Force. Transcribe, translate, and redub your videos in local languages with VidScribe AI. It's the easiest organic boost you'll ever get this year, with 3 easy steps. 1. Feed it. Feed VidScribe AI videos from your YouTube or your PC. Step 2. Upload it. Upload your converted videos. And step 3. Watch the traffic flow in from fresh sources. So, what are you waiting for? Try VidScribe now. Just go to vidscribe.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.